Hanggang dyan ka na lang? Anak, honest question. Have you ever wondered why some business owners seem to attract success effortlessly? Tapos yung iba naman, they work twice as hard pero they stay in the same place for many years. Let me tell you about two business owners I know. Let's just call them Ami and Jocelyn. Both started their businesses around the same time. Both were selling women's clothing. Both were really hard workers. Pero after 5 years, ang resulta nila ay ibang-iba. Si Ami still operates one small boutique, working 12 hours a day, constantly worried about her cash flow. Si Jocelyn, she now has 2 branches after 5 years. And she has a team that runs the day-to-day operations. And she's planning to expand some more. So anong difference? Hindi kapital. You see, they both started with similar amounts. Hindi rin yung products because they sold comparable quality products. It was not even their location or market. Alam mo anak ang difference? It was their mindset. Ami always thought small. She would say things like, I'm not the type to be really successful, or ako yung mga malaking businesses, pang ibang tao yan, not me. And so when opportunities came, she would always find reasons why she could not take those opportunities. At kung meron naman problema, she would see them as confirmation that she really was not meant to have bigger things. Si Jocelyn naman, on the other hand, iba yung kanyang mindset. She saw opportunities where others saw obstacles. She believed she deserved success and was capable of achieving it. Kaya she invested in herself. Hindi lang sa negosyo niya, pero kasama na ang kanyang mindset. Kaya anak, alam mo ba what I learned after 40 years in business? Success is not just about strategy. It's about shifting how you think about money and opportunity. I've attended seminars, and one of the most transformative was about changing my money mindset. That's why when I heard about the Millionaire Mind Intensive coming to Manila, I got excited. 3 araw yan with a world-renowned wealth coach who will help you break through those limiting beliefs that keep you small. If you're ready to think bigger about your business and your wealth, baka ito na ang hinihintay mo. Si Ami eventually realized what was holding her back. She started working on her beliefs about money, success, and her own capabilities. She learned to silence that voice that said, "You are not good enough," or "Successful people are different from you." Kaya today, Ami is finally expanding her business. Hindi dahil bigla siyang nagkaroon ng malaking kapital or nakahanap siya ng maayos na supplier, but because she finally believed that she deserved success and that she was capable of achieving it. You see, your business growth starts in your mind, anak. If you keep thinking small, your business will always stay small. But if you upgrade your thinking, your business will follow. So ask yourself today, ano bang mga paniniwala ko tungkol sa kaperahan and sa success that have been keeping me stuck? And more importantly, ready ka na bang baguhin ang mga paniniwala na yan? Let's be business-minded Pinoy. And I would like to invite you to reserve your seat for the next MMI or Millionaire Mind Intensive this coming October. Check the link in the comments.